Big Build Volume Desktop 3D Printer Guider 2. Guider 2 supports 5,000-hour printing with high precision. With impressive build volume, Guider 2 is a favorable and ideal workhorse for tool parts or assembled toys. Industrial designers and mechanical engineers can print models to validate their concepts. Guider 2 will be tremendously helpful for their research and related fields. It is very easy to use. We also offer slicing software to transform 3D model files. Files can be transferred to printer through Wi-Fi. The heated build plate of Guider 2 can reach 120 Celsius degree, which is helpful for reducing warping and curling during printing first layer to improve the success rate of printing. Guider 2 supports resetting the parameters in the process of printing. The function of resuming print from power failure makes it sure to accomplish printing every time. Metal frames and aluminum alloy XYZ much of Guider 2 guarantee the printing accuracy of ±0.2 mm. Even the tiny printing model has great details. Guider 2. High availability, low maintenance. Discover the easy-to-use large-format desktop 3D printer.